Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. Having coffee with the old dude this morning. I'm going to fix some green beans Southern style. Slow cooked, soft green beans. If you're looking for the crispy green beans and all that, I have no idea because I don't eat those. They're not good for me. And they may be good to other people. I was just raised on Southern style, almost cooked to death green beans. That's what we're going to make this morning. So let me turn the video camera around here. You can see I've got a pan. It's just heating. There's nothing in it, but it is hot. So don't do this on your regular countertop. I've got a steel countertop, so I'm going to use bacon up. I don't know if you've ever used bacon up or not. And I'm going to use some onions, some green beans, and some black pepper. And just a touch of sugar. That's completely up to you. So in this hot pan, until it's hot, you can hear the sizzle there. I'll add my onions. This bacon up is a game changer. I don't have bacon in the house anymore. I just can't have it because I have a heart condition and it has nitrates in it. Now, I know other foods do it, but I just try to stay away from the nitrates. So I put me a spoonful in there. That's probably a tablespoonful of bacon up. I love the flavor of bacon up. Bacon. And this really does work. Gives a great flavor. So you just want to stir this around and get your... One thing about this galvanized countertop, yeah, you can cook right on the top of it. It don't matter. So I'm going to put this back on the fire, turn it back up. All right. Got it on the burner on high, actually, midway. Now I want these to get a little opaque. You can see they've got a little color on them. But it smells wonderful. It smells like frying bacon and onions together. So what I'm going to do, I've got these green beans. They're drained. I've got a little water left in them, but not much. I had 2 cans, French style and whole green beans. I prefer whole green beans, but hey, this is what I had on hand. It'll taste the same. So you just want to cook this, mix it around and get it started. Put you a little pepper. How much that's up to you. You can put it down or you can put it a little bit later. I'm going to go ahead and add it's just probably a 1/16 of a tablespoon. I'm not even going to use all of this, just a touch. And this recipe varies. It depends on how much green beans you're cooking. Are you cooking a gallon can of them? Or, for a whole family, just for my wife and I. So just a couple of cans. We won't eat all this at one setting. We'll have some left over. So you don't want to beat it up too bad because these green beans will chunk up and break up on you. You just want to mix it up. You can see the onions are coming to the top and mixed in good. So I'm going to turn that off. And turn it down, I should say, not off. I'm going to turn it just to a low simmer. There's no water added or anything. I did rinse the green beans and put them back into the can. I don't like the juice that they're cooked in. So just a touch of water in there and that's it. So I'm going to turn it on low. And I will bring y'all back here in a little bit when it's cooked. It may take 30 minutes or so because I'm going to cook it on really low. All right, back with you. It's been about 35 minutes or so. I've been doing some other stuff, getting another recipe going. So I don't go by time so much as I do taste. Let me grab a little bit of this here. I tasted it a few minutes ago. It tasted wonderful, but it was so damn hot I couldn't taste much of it. A little bit of onion, lots of bacon up, a mixture of the string green beans and whole green beans. That's good enough to be breakfast. If I didn't need this for a meal today, I would. It's great. I'm gonna add a little bit more pepper, just for my taste. I love flat, fresh black pepper, but not a lot of it. And I know I added sugar to it, but that was just, just a slight amount. I learned a long time ago by an old cook making collard greens and turnip greens. Put a little sugar and vinegar in it. Oh man, changes the whole flavor profile. Makes it good. It does not make it taste sweet. Let's see this again. I tell you, I might have to just do a taste test of about 10 more bites of that. And then I'd be in trouble because there wouldn't be nothing left for dinner today. Anyway, if you're looking for a great southern green bean recipe, this is it. See, it's cooked down really good. Hope you can see that. It's easy to fix. Doesn't take long at all. Not a lot of components. The bacon up is really good to put in this, and I've used it. It's great to cook eggs in, all types of dishes. And I've got another video when I first started using this, and I've got another video on green beans using bacon and ham, which is always great. Don't have any ham this morning. Don't have any bacon for sure. So if you want a good southern green bean recipe for your holidays, just for a side dish any time of the year, this is a great one. And it must be really, green beans must be really liked by a lot of people, because you can go to KFC and they're all over the country, I think all over the world, and they serve green beans on their menu all the time, which tells me a lot of people like them. And KFCs are kind of cooked down like this, real soft and slow. And they've got that bacon flavor to them. So if you're looking for a good green bean recipe, follow this. And I know there's no written instructions, just a couple of cans of green beans for a couple of people, a little bit of bacon up. I didn't put any salt in it, pepper, and enjoy. Thanks for being part of the Old Dudes World. Subscribe, please. And like and share. Tell me if you ever made green beans like this, or if this is something that your family's made through the years. Y'all have a great day.